Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. We're having a great day today, guys. So, karon guys, since I bought this blender, so we're gonna unbox it, guys. So yeah, let's start unboxing, guys. Ang cute niya. Ang gamay niya.
Blender?
Cute, uy.
It's a blender. It's a blender.
Ang cute niyang blender.
Cute sa picture niya, ay.
It's a blender to make juice.
Cute.
Huh?
It's 1625 ml. 7 cups.
Last item, the base. Like a vegetable scope. Is the bottom? Should it be fit? You can like literally easily wash it. Oh, what's this? Ang gamay siya. Eh? The blade is small, then the other one, the old one. Old one is a bigger one.
I like that one.
This is more easier because you get small. Why is this one? The buttons are more different than the other one. This is more like a square, so yeah. So yeah guys, like fit for like
7 cups.
for like the small fresh made fruit smoothie, stuff like that to make. So yeah. So that's it guys. The quick unboxing blender. Hamilton blender smoothie blender something. Yeah, I hope you enjoy that quick unboxing guys. So yeah. So yeah, I just keep saying oh yeah. I see you next time guys. In the next video.